Conceited python. Grandfather never could resist buying unusual pets, and once he paid a snake charmer in the bazaar only 4 rupees for a young 4-foot python that was on display to a crowd of eager boys and girls. Grandfather impressed the gathering by slinging the python over his shoulders and walking home with it. The first to see them arrive was Toto, our pet monkey, swinging from a branch of the jackfruit tree. One look at the python and he fled into the house, squealing with fright. The noise brought grandmother to the veranda, where she finally fainted at the sight of the python curled around grandfather's throat.
It will strangle you to death. Get rid of it at once.
Nonsense! He's only a young fellow. He'll soon get used to us.
He might indeed, but I have no intention of getting used to him. And you know your cousin Mabel is coming to stay with us tomorrow. She'll leave the minute she knows there's a snake in the house.
Well, I can't let him loose in the garden. He might find his way into the poultry house, and then where would we be?
Oh, how irritating you are. Lock the thing in the bathroom, then go out and find the man you bought it from, and get him to come here and collect it.
And so, grandfather took the python into the bathroom and placed him in the tub. After closing the door on him, he gave me a sad look. Perhaps grandmother is right this time. After all, we don't want the snake to get hold of Toto, and he's sure to be very hungry.